Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with printer, the error message that says that Windows cannot connect to printer and it's followed by operation failed of error code 0x00000002 error occur on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. First thing I recommend to do, restart both devices guys. Restart your printer and PC same time, and hopefully that can able to resolve our problem. Sometimes simply restart can fix the problem guys. You try this as well, and go to search menu and type services. Open it. Search for printer spooler guys. Printer spooler service. Double click on it. If the starter type is anything in here, you just need to change this automatic and select service status is running. You just need to start it and apply and OK. After that, right click on the printer spooler again and click restart and close out of here guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. Select other troubleshooters and select printer troubleshoot to run guys. So troubleshoot will automatically detect the problem and fix common related problems in your printer guys, and close the troubleshooter. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.